Beauty. That is a definition of something that you like. Like, for example, an Austin Martin. That is beauty. Or a Porsche 911. That's beauty. Well, when you're talking of guns, hi, this is Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. This is the 1866 Golden Rifle. Now, if you want to know about beauty, this is beauty, okay? They really did it nice on this gun with Parris. Gold-plated die cast on your mechanism. Nice trigger action. It's a cap thing. It comes with roll caps. Pops up here, you get roll caps. It's really cool. Watch that. Die cast. They're 8-shot roll caps. Wooden stock, metal barrel, everything. This is the prettiest gun, okay? And it's more of from the 1800s, okay? Like if you ever watched the movie Winchester Winchester something with Jimmy Stewart, you know, this is what kind of reminds me of this, okay? Kids will love it. This is the Golden Rifle. I bought a ton of these things. Special pricing. I want to give you the best price. What do I say? Okay, you want to get online? Well, you can link right here. This is item 2703. This is the Golden Rifle, 1866 gold or lever action. Lever action, and that's what this is, lever action. 1866. Don't forget to like and subscribe, ProTinkerToys.com. Thank you.